Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Earthshaker in Dota 2. Earthshaker is a fantastic hero for controlling teamfights and initiating engagements. His Fisher ability is key for blocking enemies and setting up kills, dealing 120 damage at level 1. Remember to use Enchant Totem to boost your physical attack damage, making last hitting and harassing much easier in the early game. Mastering Earthshaker's abilities is crucial for success. Aftershock is a passive ability that stuns enemies for 6 seconds whenever you cast Fisher, Enchant Totem, or Echo Slam. Your ultimate, Echo Slam, unleashes a devastating wave of damage, amplified by each enemy unit caught in its radius. Try to land a Fisher, then immediately use Enchant Totem for a quick stun and empowered hit. For itemization, Arcane Boots are a must-have early on, providing crucial mana for your spells and allies. Your core item will be Blink Dagger, allowing you to instantly jump into the perfect position for a game-changing Echo Slam. Always be aware of the enemy's positioning and wait for the ideal moment to initiate, aiming to catch at least 3 or 4 heroes with your ultimate. For advanced play, practice using Fisher not just for damage, but also to strategically block enemy movement or secure objectives like Roshan. An Aether Lens can significantly increase your spell cast range, giving you more flexibility in team fights. Remember, timing is everything with Earthshaker. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.